Hi, welcome back into my channel. In this video, I will explain capacitance of a capacitor. This lesson is an important lesson for those students in A-level physics class. Okay, before I begin this lesson, don't forget to prepare your pen, pencil, and also your notebook. And let's study with me. Okay. What is a capacitor? A capacitor is an electrical component can store electricity charge. Okay, actually, capacitor similar with battery, but battery can store electricity charge um, around yeah 2, 3, or more than 2 or 3 hours. Okay, but capacitor just store electricity charge just around 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, just for a while. All right. So what is capacitance of a capacitor? Capacitance of a capacitor is the ability of a capacitor to store electricity charge per unit of voltage across the plates. Which plates? Okay, these plates. Okay, actually, in every capacitor, you may find two plates inside. Okay, and the simulations, these plates, yeah, are the example of two plates inside of of every capacitor. Okay, now I'm gonna show you uh, the capacitor function for example, for this light bulb. Look, if I uh, fill in this plate, with electricity charge. Look, okay, and now I'm going to connect, okay, to this capacitor. Okay, so this plate is a capacitor. Okay, the plates are uh, the plates inside the capacitor. If I be connecting this capacitor into this light bulbs, look, okay, more and more, okay, the electricity charge run out. Okay, again, okay, okay, already fill in with the electricity charge. Okay, now I will connect to this light bulbs. The implications of that will be like, okay, and more the electricity charge on this plate will be run out. Okay, so that's the difference between electricity charge and battery. For battery, yeah, the light bulb maybe would be like around 2, 3, or 4 hours. Depends on the battery. Okay, now let's continue with the capacitor, capacitance of capacitor. Now I'm going to show you that two things affect for uh, the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay, firstly, uh, the wider of these plates affect for a capacitance of capacitor. Okay, look, if I will create this capacitor plates. Okay, I will increase first this potential difference. Okay, okay. Look this capacitance. Okay, if I create being wider, okay, the capacitance of the capacitor will be increased as well. Okay, if this plate area will decrease like this. Okay, and look, uh, affected for the capacitance of capacitor. Okay, okay. If again, okay, if increase, the capacitance will be increased as well. Yeah. So the area of both plates is directly proportional to the capacitance. Okay. The wider the area of both plates, the greater the capacitance. Again, the wider the area of both plates, the greater the capacitance. Okay, or we may we may say that area of both plates is directly proportional to the capacitance of capacitor. Again, area of both plates is directly proportional to the capacitance of capacitor. Okay. Secondly, look carefully. If I set, okay, if I set the distance of this capacitor, okay, okay, the voltage being increased, okay, if I set this capacitor closer, okay, the distance, look, yeah, affected for capacitance of capacitor. Yeah, become 1.05 picofarad. Okay, okay. Decrease if the distance uh, decrease, okay, the capacitance decrease as well, being 0.48 picofarad. Okay, yeah. So we may say that the less the distance of two plates, the greater the capacitance capacitor, or capacitance of capacitor inversely proportional to the distance of both plates. Okay, so two things affect for capacitance of capacitor. Firstly, the wider of both plates. Okay. Secondly, the distance of both plates each other. Okay, students, this our lesson regarding capacitance of capacitor. Next time, I will, yeah, I will create a video regarding capacitance of capacitors. How we determine the capacitance of capacitor through the formula of capacitance of capacitor. You know that the formula of capacitance capacitor is C equal P over V. Yeah. C for capacitance of capacitor, Q for electricity charge. Okay. Capacitance capacitors unit is farad or picofarad or miofarad, while Q or electricity charge unit is coulomb, and V for potential difference. Potential difference unit is volt. Okay. All right. Students, thank you for joining with me in this lesson. See you.